Hey guys, you would have heard me talk about Japanese bureaucracy in previous videos, and you'll hear me talk about it again. It's a bit of an ongoing thing. This is inside our city hall where people spend a lot of time waiting. So just to give us something to do while we're waiting, they provide this origami paper and encourage us to sit there and make little paper cranes. So it's a very Japanese way of dealing with the waiting, because Japanese are really patient at waiting and sit there quietly waiting. So they encourage you to sit there and make paper cranes while you're waiting. So how Japanese is that?